Okay, so this one we're going to be talking about passing arguments in methods. So this topic is really important. So let's say we have int x equals 1, for example. So if we were to print this out, so if we print out x here, this is going to give out 1, right? Now let's call a method called change x, okay? And then we pass an x through here. So in our method, which is going to be in this block, let me move the public class a little higher. There we go. So we're going to do public static, and we're going to have a return type to be void. Okay, and let's call it. Oh yeah, it has to be called change x. Change x, and then we're going to have int x here. This x, you can actually name it something else. It doesn't matter when we're doing methods. All right, so we're gonna have x to be equal to 520, okay? And then we're gonna print out x. And then after we're done executing this, we're gonna print out x afterwards here. Now the question for you guys is, will this print out 1 or will it print out 520? Well, a lot of people may make this mistake of saying, oh, it's going to print out 520, but that's incorrect. It's going to print out 1, because when we change x in a method, it doesn't change x in our public static main block. It only changes x inside this method here. So obviously, when you run this, this is going to print out 1. Then here, this is going to print out 520. But then here, it's going to print out 1 again. So it's important to know that when you change a variable or argument in a method, it doesn't change it for the overall, class, like in the public static main block. Okay, so that's an important thing that people should be aware about.